Okay, outcome indicator. So, yung outcome indicator is yun yung key performance indicator na kung na-meet ba yung goal mo, na-achieve mo ba yung gusto mong mangyari, whether short term or long term. Kasi merong na-achieve mo nga yung result, nakarating ka sa end result, pero yung process mo o yung journey mo throughout the process hindi maganda. So, ang goal mo is a smooth journey throughout the process. So, yun yung outcome indicator. Basically, yun lang siya. No? If a goal is met smoothly or if the goal is met na kailangan mong mag-adjust kasi may nakakarating sa goal na hindi smooth yung journey. So, yun, kailangan ng konting adjustment. Kasi, hindi porket nakarating ka doon sa goal, okay na. Kailangan smooth yung journey. Maayos yung pagkakatrabaho. So, yun lang po.